Hello everybody, welcome to official YouTube channel of SM Education Services. In this particular video we are going to talk about the closing rank for deemed university mop-up round. We'll talk about Haryana mop-up round. The registration has already started. We'll talk about the fee details and all the important dates. After the closing rank is declared and the candidates who got seat allotted, many congratulations from SM Education. And so what next? We'll discuss what next. Those candidates who got high rank or the candidate who qualified after cut-off revision, what are the possibilities for them after deemed mop-up round is over? So what are the states you can go for and how you can approach for a state vacancy round, and I will talk about some tips and tricks regarding state vacancy round also. So let's get started. We'll start with the deemed universities mop-up round. As we know that result got declared for mop-up round and the candidates got seat allotted. So comparing from round 2, where we had seen very much positive shift compared to round 1, in round 3 we could see slightly negative shift from round 2. So we'll talk about what was the closing rank. Starting from radio diagnosis, it got closed up to 65,000 around 500, and dermatology got closed up to 53,500. General medicine, the candidate got seat up to 63,300. I'm not telling exact figure, exact rank, but roundabout. Pediatrics, the candidate got seat for pediatrics in up to 64,300 rank. Orthopedics, the closing rank was 88,373. Many candidates who got qualified after cutoff got the seat in ortho, and surgery got closed up to 94,500. Obs-gynae, candidate got seat up to 82,079 rank. Ophthalmology was available up to 76,000. Psychiatry up to 78,000. ENT up to 91,000 roundabout, and anesthesia up to 1,03,000. Whereas pathology, candidate got the seat in 1,08,000. So this was the closing rank for all the deemed universities. So this is all passed. Okay, now we have to see for next. The candidate who already got the seat, they are done. They can report the college, deposit your fee, and do complete all the necessary steps to do the joining without any hindrance. Now coming to the candidates who applied for a deemed round but didn't get a seat and they got a high rank. So what is the opportunities for them? So there are many other states where the mop-up round is going on. If you have not registered for Karnataka and Rajasthan, Bihar, so you can't register, because for Karnataka mop-up round is going on, and after that there won't be any further fresh registration. For Rajasthan, second round is going on, and you can get opportunity to register further. So Bihar, the first round is going on, choice filling is going on, so you can register in second round as well. But for Karnataka, you can't register further. If you miss the opportunity, that is done and dusted. But you have opportunity for Haryana. Haryana is a state where there is one private medical college, SGT Medical College. So you can try for that, and the registration is going on. It is starting from 22nd and it will go on until 25th. You can get the schedule from the official website. Parallelly, you can do the choice filling, and there is 2 lakhs of security deposit that you need to pay. And they have published the stray vacancy. Those candidates who want to register only for a stray vacancy round in Haryana, then Haryana is a very special state where there is a separate window to register for a stray vacancy, and Haryana is such a state where candidate get a seat in high rank also. The cut-off goes down the line. Okay, so you can register for Haryana state for a stay vacancy. If you want to register for a stay vacancy only, then the fresh registration will be going on between 28 and 29. You can register. But if you want to try your luck and based on your rank in Haryana state, then you can go ahead and register, do the choice filling. It will all the choice filling and registration process will be ending on 25th. There is security deposit of 2 lakhs and further result will be published. So Haryana also is closing its all counseling process by 31st. Now coming to stray vacancy round, a little bit more tips and tricks. So if you have registered for Karnataka state, Rajasthan state, because these are the states where the seats remain available even after mop-up round, because they keep very high fee for NRI quota and other quota, and there are plenty of seats available for these two quota. Okay, so Karnataka is the best state, but if you miss the chance, you can try for other states like Haryana. The mop-up round registration will open for Himachal Pradesh, because it's also a state where you can get a seat in a high rank. Pondicherry registration was done and choice filling, everything, registration was closed till yesterday. The choice filling is going on and it will go on up to 4 p.m. today for Telangana. And Telangana also has C category where the fee is around, between 36 lakhs to 40. So if you have any doubt in stray vacancy, if you have any question, so you can call us to the number given in the description. Our counselor would be able to help you. If you want any kind of inquiry about the fee and how many seats are available for stray vacancy round in particular college, you can talk to us. And you have to be ready in advance for all those things with all the informations, because if you wait until last moment and say that you will be getting seat on 31st, then you are doing a mistake. So be ready and well planned with all your tuition fee budget. You should be having ready, because they will ask you to pay in a stray vacancy round and before 31st. So all those prerequisites you need to be having ready, so that whichever state you apply for, whichever institution you apply for, you can go to the institution and you can ask your family members like your parents, your siblings, or any of your friends also to go to other colleges. So you can create a list of colleges where you want to apply based on the number of seats available, and you can go out and check in those colleges. If the seat is available, then you can take the seat. But these all things we need to be well planned. If you delay and wait until last moment, then it's all gone, because after 31st only DNB round will be remaining, and for DNB also they have open fresh registration, so you can avail that opportunity as well. But I think the purpose for opening a new registration, because already there are so many candidates who applied for DNB, and on 5th the choice filling will be happening for DNB third round, and after mop-up round will be conducted. So the only intention that I see from my experience, and that's my personal opinion, to allow new candidate to do the registration for DNB is to allocate all the non-clinical seats, because all the clinical seats will be already occupied by the candidate who already registered for DNB. The good point there is the fee is very less, is 1.25 lakhs per annum, and on top of that you will get a stipend, good stipend as well. Okay, so that's pretty much everything. You can call us to the number, and this is we are on the second last week of the closing process of private colleges counseling, and deemed college already done, and we will having just DNB, or maybe Rajasthan and Bihar will take some more time, and their counseling process will go beyond 31st of July. So have everything ready. What are the opportunities we have, make them listed, so that you get opportunity and you avail it within the provided time, and you don't waste a year. Okay, so thanks for watching, and goodbye until next update. Thank you.